Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, which is Unit 9, Boxes and Sketches. Students, what do the topic means? Boxes and sketches. We know that a box, what we call a box, as we have seen in our house, there are many boxes we can see. Here I am having a box, isn't it? It is a box. And students, what do you mean by sketch? Sketch means when you draw something. For example, if I want to draw the box, I will draw like this, a rough drawing of the box. So this is somewhere what I have drawn a sketch. So this is the meaning of box, is a thing which we can keep anything in some any substance in it, and sketches mean where which can draw. Basically the topic means about boxes means a cube or a cuboid, and sketch means the drawing of a cube or cuboid. Boxes is a 3-dimension figure, what we call as a 3D figure, and sketches we means as a 2D figure, isn't it? For example, students, I will show you a drawing here. See, here I have drawn a cuboid, cube, it is a cube, and this is a cuboid. This thing I have tried to draw a 3-dimension figure here. But if I want to draw a square, I will draw a square like this. It is a sketch of a square. Similarly, if we can see a box, it will be like this, isn't it? This is known as a 3-dimension figure. This is known as a 3-dimension figure which we can rotate. But in compared to this sketch, it is only 2 dimension. It is on the paper. We cannot see its either sides. So this is 2 dimension. And if we can see all the sides of the box, for example this, we can tell it as a 3-dimension figure. Understood, students, about the 3-dimension and 2-dimension figures. So in this chapter we understood that about the boxes which we can see, which is a 3-dimension figure, and the sketches which we can do as a 2-dimension figure 2D. In this lesson we will study about 2 types of box, which are 2 types of substances, objects, which is known as the cube, and the other one is known as a cuboid. Cube is basically made from the square. Cube is made by the square. It's all the sides are the same and it is made by the square. And a cuboid is made by a rectangle. It's made by a rectangle. Its 2 sides are different. In a cube and cuboid, the one more thing which we can add is about the height. One more dimension we will add here is height. If we have seen the perimeter of the area of a square, we had only learnt about 2 terms, which was length and which were learned as breadth. But now we will also learn about a new term which is known as height, isn't it? What is the height? This is if you can see the length, the breadth. A square, all the length and breadth is same. But this one more term is known as the height, which is known as the ऊंचाई, जिसको हम बोलते हैं in Hindi, which is known as ऊंचाई. So that is known as the term. So here in a 3-dimension figure, one more side will be added, which is known as the height of a object. Same thing here is in the cuboid also. The length, the breadth, the length, and again one more term here is about the height, students. Now students, if you can see about different things of about the cube and cuboid, I will like to show you about this is the duster, isn't it? First of all, students, what we can see here, there are 3 terms in a cube or a cuboid. 3 things we can see in a cube or cuboid. I will show you here. The part which we can see is called its face, where the 2 or 3 faces meets this line, this and this line. These lines are called as the edges. They are known as edges. And where the edges meets, here and here, this is edge and this is also the edge, and where the edge meets at that point is known as vertex. Okay, vertex or vertices. Understood? So this is about the three terms of a cube. The same thing is there in the cuboid also. This is the face, this is the edge, and the point here where the edges meet, it is called as the vertex. So students, we can identify here, it is a duster. Here we can see this is a face, flat surface, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, isn't it? So we can have that there are how many faces? So there are 6 faces in a cube. We can have the face, 6 face, 6. Okay. Same way, students, we can see the edge. See, here this face is there and this face. These two faces are meeting here. So these two faces, this is called the edge. Similarly, this is also the edge. It is known as, here also the two faces are meeting. Here we can see this face and this face. This both are also meeting. So this is also edge. Similarly, this face and this face, they are meeting here. So they are the edge. Same way, in a cube or cuboid, there are 12 edges. How many edges are there, students? There are 12 edges. 12. Now come to point about the vertex. Here the face, edge is here. This edge, then this edge and this edge. The three edges are meeting here at this point. This edge, similarly this and this point. Edge is here. So the meeting at the point, the edges are meeting at the point where the edges are meeting is called as the vertex. And students, there are total 8 vertices in a cube and a cuboid. How many vertices are there? There are total 8 vertices in a cube and a cuboid. Understood, students? So this we have learned about the 3-dimension figure, which is a cube and a cuboid. The face, the portion which we can see easily, the flat portion, that is known as face. Where the two faces meet at that point, the line where the two faces meet is called its edge. And where two or more than two edges meet, it called its vertex. In same way, we can see in the cuboid also the same thing. The flat portion is called the face. Where the faces meet the line, it is called as the edge. Okay, edge or edges. Then where the edges meet is called the vertex. Understood, students? So this was about a cube and cuboid. Students, simple way, if you want to draw a cube and cuboid, I will show you a simple way. I will show you how to draw a cube. First of all, draw a square. Use the scale of this. I am not using the scale because in one hand I have hold the mobile. Then draw another square in this manner. Okay, then join its corner. It has become a cube. Same way you can repeat it with the cuboid also. So students, when you are writing this chapter lesson, first thing in this lesson we will start writing in your notebook. Give the heading of the lesson, okay, boxes and sketches. Then you draw a cube, then you draw a cuboid, okay, then name its parts, vertices, edges and faces, and write down faces. How many faces are there in a cube? 6 faces. How many edges are there in a cube? The 12 edges. And how many vertices are in the cube? Then it is 8 vertices. So this was a introduction about the lesson. What do you mean by boxes and what do you mean by sketches? Boxes we get about 3-dimension figure. In sketch we get a rough 2-dimension figure, and in sketch also, as I have drawn here, we can draw the 3-dimension figure also, students. This thing you are supposed to write down in your notebook. After that we will start with our lesson from the textbook, students. I hope you all have understood about this lesson. In this lesson we will study about only most of the two parts. One is solid shapes, which is known as cube and cuboid, and we will study about the sketches what we have drawn here.